the very first time we had contact with Cloud Maven Incorporated, we knew that this was the company that we wanted to work with. We got on the phone with the CEO of the company, and we could tell immediately that he knew his product and he loved what he did. And since we signed, we have been incredibly happy with the service that they provided. Their product lives up to their expectations and beyond, and they have helped us to customize it to our every need. And so we're really impressed with Cloud Maven, and we're glad to be receiving help from them. So thanks, Cloud Maven, and hope you guys are doing well. Thanks. Cloud Maven's products have helped us save a truly incalculable amount of time, eliminating tedious processes and just increasing our efficiency across the board. We're really grateful for that and excited to be really utilizing that to its fullest extent. As far as mere logistical capacity, the Cloud Maven software has increased our productivity by at least 100%, but emotionally they have increased our productivity by no less than 1,000%, and for that we are eternally grateful. Cloud Maven has impressed us tremendously, and we have been extremely satisfied with their services.